Hey, in your BSc Nursing exam, how can you score more? In this video, I'm going to give you some important questions in your applied psychology. Hi, my name is Shruti Joseph. Nice to see you again. This video is prepared according to your request in the comment box. So therefore, I hope this will help you. Welcome back to our new video. Applied psychology carries total 38 mark and you will get 4 type of questions from the total 10 units. So we can move with the first category of question, that is MCQ or multiple choice question. There will be total 7 multiple choice question in the question paper, so that you will get from different units. So the first unit, that is introduction. Then next is biological basis of behavior introduction, that is also an introduction unit. Then motivation and emotional process. The next unit is psychological assessment and test. Next is application of soft skill. So I will give you some examples of MCQ question that you can see in the screen. Okay, first question is, dash psychology is concerned with thinking, language and problem solving. 4 options are there. First is cognitive, second is humanistic, third is psychoanalytic and last one is behavioristic. So which is the answer? You can choose the right answer from this 4 options. So the answer is cognitive. Then we can move with the next question. Okay, the next question is, here you can see Ram has 2 equally attractive jobs and he has to choose between one of them. Which is the type of conflict he is experiencing? So the options are, first one, approach conflict, second, approach avoidance conflict, third is avoidance conflict, and the last one is multiple approach conflict. So here the answer is approach conflict. So what is that? What is approach conflict? So in this conflict, the individual will have 2 desires with a positive valence which are equally powerful. Next questions are, the perception is, here also 4 options are there, sensation and interpretation, sensation and language, sensation and memory, sensation and images. So here you can see the answer is sensation and interpretation. Another question is, who classified personality as extrovert and introvert? Here also 4 options are there. So you can select the right option and write it in your answer sheet. Okay, here you can see the answer. Then we can move with the next question. Meaning of motivation is excitement, external excitement, internal excitement and none of the above. So here the answer is option D, none of the above. So we can move with the next category of question, that is long answers. Mostly we can expect this question from cognitive process, but we can expect from different unit also. So I will give some examples of long essay question. Don't forget to work on it. First one is, define psychology and describe various branch and the scope of psychology. Next is conflict and types of conflict, role of nurse in reducing the frustration and conflict and enhancing coping. Other questions may be like this, definition of personality and classification of personality, or another one is different cognitive process, memory, thinking, and another may be like this, explain the influence of hereditary and environment on behavior. Another one, discuss the role of nurse in tertiary prevention of mental illness. Another one may be motivation, then meaning, concept and theories of motivations, etc. But don't forget to study the psychological assessment and the test, including the self-empowerment in the personal relationship. Alright, I hope it is clear. Next we can move another category of questions, that is short answers. So it will commonly get from the units of mental health and mental hygiene, developmental psychology, that unit, and application of soft skill. So here are some of the model questions, and again don't forget to work on it. So the first question is characteristics of psychological assessment and classical conditioning, types of soft skills, method of psychology. Other examples are define psychology and briefly discuss the branches of psychology. Endocrine glands and the behavior. Next is explain hereditary, role of brain and behavior. Next is significance of individual differences, characteristics of mentally healthy person. Next is warning signs of poor mental health. Another questions may be like this: strategies to promote mental health, define mental hygiene and discuss the principles of mental hygiene in various stages of life. Another questions defense mechanism. Next is define forgetting and causes of forgetting. Another question, this is mostly a sure question, that is define thinking and explain the types of thinking. Next is importance of emotion. Another one, cognitive development across the lifespan and normal changes due to old age. So these are the questions you may get from the short answers. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, don't forget to write in the comment box. Next type of questions, that is list down or very short answers questions. I will give some examples of very short answers. First one is personality, motivation and emotional process. Next may be self-empowerment, define attitude, factors influencing memory. Then next is role of nurse in supporting the normal growth. So we have lots of questions that you can see in this screen now. So far we have discussed regarding the model questions that you might get in your examination applied psychology. So I hope it is clear for everyone. If you have any doubts, don't forget to write it in the comment box. Would you mind hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button and particularly hit the notification bell to make sure that you will get all the updates from us about the new videos that are being released. So I really appreciate the time to speak with you. Thank you for watching.